Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one's palladium silver. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Black MB text interior. Gloss black center console. Aluminum trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of all-season floor mats. Premium one package with Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 70,221 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.